It's the day after Evo Enduro, and even the sky is crying. It's currently raining now. I'm not sure if you can see teardrops on my window right here. I miss Evo Enduro already. Ah, it was so good, guys. Really, this year's participants, you guys are amazing. um, Evo Enduro 2019 wouldn't happen without you guys, and it's just so nice to hear all the stories that you guys have shared with us. It's so nice to see all of y'all creating your own groups, creating your own friendships, creating your own memories together. It's so nice to drive alongside with you guys. I know there were sometimes suddenly we just like, hey, we bumped into each other, and then we just drive along, we take pictures of each other's cars, we go crazy, we hype each other up, and at that moment of time maybe you're feeling sleepy and then you just don't feel it anymore. It's that that connection, that bond that we all share together. Amazing, right? Even just driving from one place to another, you create so many memories. And I remember talking to this group where all of them didn't know each other before the drive, and right now they're close, so close, because all of them decided to make this detour. And imagine one decision, 1 second of it not coming together would have made such a huge difference. It's really amazing. I mean, even for me, it was so good to get to know all of you so much better. I think this year, for the Horizon team, we have so much more time to interact with all of you as compared to the other years. And for all those who have stuck with us since the first year, thank you so much. Pretty sure you can see how much we've grown, and how we try to tweak in order to make sure even Evo Enduro gets better and better each and every year. And I really hope all of you had fun. I know I did, getting to know all of you guys. I think this year, right, all the participants in here short circuit the same way one. So it's so nice. We can openly make fun of each other, and that's completely okay. Big shout out to the participants, and of course all of you put livery on your car, all of you who acceptingly, willingly put livery on your car with our designs that you didn't know anything of. But then nice, right? Delivery, you gotta admit, guys, gotta admit, all these like red chef brands and halal oil make good liveries, guys. Yeah. So yeah, remember, with all these 12 brands, buy at least £5 minimum and stand a chance to win the next 17. So big shout out to our sponsors as well for making Evo Enduro so amazing. Our participants loved it so much. Speaking of that, the GT tires on my car the entire way, oh my god. I was sleeping like a baby when my co-driver Big Bitch was driving. It is so comfortable and so quiet. I'm really impressed. I didn't expect a tire to create so much impact on my car. And props to my baby who went all the way even though check engine light came on the first day. That's right. Right now I'm still driving with the check engine light on. I have no idea what it is, but it's champion lah. And for all of you, right, who were asking, hey, can I have a ride, and we did not get a chance to, please let me know. We happily take a ride together. Go anything lah, go Genting Run ke, go Ulu Yam ke, go Titikong ke, anything. Let's do it, guys. I can't wait. I mean, really, this Evo Enduro has been so awesome for me, for Leonard, my co-driver, aka Bing's bitch. But yeah, it was so nice lah, and everyone just, I don't know, it's just such a nice feeling. I don't know how to express it in words. But yeah, even after the drive, everyone was like, we were just texting, just talking about everything that happened, everyone sharing their experiences, and that bond that we create together. It's just damn awesome. So yeah, can't wait to see you guys soon, and on Merdeka Drive, and also Tessie Sergeant's cars out, and also Jom, few of you still owe me drinks, okay? Because you're lost. And yeah, I'm damn black now, like damn black. Drop the top lah, whole way lah. Okay lah, not all the way. This time I really didn't do it like full on 100%, but I would say 90%. Drop the top. See, got one guy in livery. Cannot beat my Kotex livery, man. Sorry. Awesome, 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 awesome trip. Thank you to everyone. You guys have been amazing. I've been wearing this specific watch throughout Evo Enduro just to see how it feels, how it looks, how I enjoy it. This, as you know, is an REC watch, and if you didn't know about REC, if you haven't watched any of our videos before, REC is basically a company that collects all parts of vehicles or machinery, and they create a watch out of it. So this one is a little bit different from the others that we have worn before. This one is made from all parts of the Spitfire. That's right. If you don't know, Spitfire is an aircraft that was used in war last time. And I must say, among all the watches, I personally like this the most. So when I was given the opportunity to wear this, I really I was looking forward to it because it's not as big as the other one. So when you put it on my wrist, it actually looks very proportionate. It doesn't look oversized. It looks very nice. Ta-da! Oh, ta-da! And they actually had to change the strap. Number one, because my wrist was a bit too small, and number two, because all the straps that came with the watch kind of blended in with my skin color. As you know, I'm very chao-ta now already, very burnt. But for some reason, this lighter brown goes very well with my dark brown skin color. So yeah. REC basically recovers, recycles, and then reclaims the watch. So they recover the parts of Spitfire, they recycle it into a watch, and then reclaim it to REC watches. Okay, so this watch in particular, Spitfire, as I was saying, at first glance, I really like the design, just at first glance. It's an automatic, so there's no battery involved, and just looking at the design, I like that, you see, I'm not sure whether the GoPro can see it, but the background is kind of like a dirty green, very dark green, where they wear on their clothes to camouflage themselves. And I like the entire combination. I'm not a big fan of beige, but if you look at the minute hand, the hour hand, it looks beige in color, and I like that combination a lot. The date is at the bottom here. When I first held it, it had a certain weight to it. I thought when I would wear it for the entire duration of Enduro, it would be a little bit heavy, but actually it wasn't. What I would change from the watch is actually the strap. You can see, I guess because my wrist is small, they gave me a very thick strap, but if I could change, I would change the thickness of the strap, because I didn't really enjoy the thickness of the strap. Of course, you can definitely change the strap, but I enjoyed this watch so much. I mean, just looking at the details, it's very simple, but when you get to know the watch a lot more, there's so many things that they emphasize on that you can tell is so interesting. It's all in the details. For example, look at this. Pretty sure this is taken from the propeller of the Spitfire, and you can tell it's very easy to read the time because it's just lines. But it's very clear cut. It's not the type of lines that is put very near together, and I like how they played with the color because the color stands out a lot. Therefore, it's very easy to just have a glance at your watch and you can tell the time immediately. The date as well is very clear cut. Behind you can see the pendulum, and it's moving. I'm not sure if you can see. I'll try to put in a close-up shot here, but you can see the riveting on the pendulum, probably from the aircraft last time. And because this is an automatic watch, what you need to do, if you have to pull it out a bit, you have to unwind, and then you hear that one pop, and then there's another pop, and a third pop. So first you unwind it, and then there's one pop, there's a second pop, and there's a third pop. So the third pop is for the minute hand, and then you just press it in a little bit, and then the next one would be for the dates already. You can tell. Yep, the dates are moving, and then you push it in a little bit, and then the last pop you just have to wind it up. So you have to turn it this way, and then you can feel the resistance a little bit. You have to just push it in a little bit, and then just turn it all the way until it's back into place. And that's for the winding up of the watch, because it's automatic. It has a 42-hour power reserve, and yeah, I don't know, I really enjoyed this watch. Looking at the detail of it, you can tell for the inner circle there's a little bit of roughness there. I like that. So there's this outer circle and the inner circle, but you can tell the differences of the inner circle from the roughness of the surface. And just by holding it, it gives you a very quality type of feeling. It doesn't give you like, oh okay, it's very plastic, or they use very cheap metal. It's just the entire finishing of the watch. Quality, very good quality. So in the box, you pull it out. So this is the box, yeah. I like the packaging a lot. Pull it out. You have sponge, of course. Ta-da! You have your user manual and how this watch came about and the history of the watch. So you have everything here. And RC's concept, history of the watch, and how to use the watch. Yep. Just going in. Your warranty card is here. So from the date of purchase, you have about 2 years warranty. And want to know more about story of your Spitfire aircraft watch, you can either scan the QR code, or if you have an NFC on your phone, you can just put it there and it will scan and it'll direct you to a website. It works. Tried that on my phone just now. It works. And this, I like this detailing right here. You open it, you think that there's nothing, but in actuality, you can see here, there's the RC watch right there. Yep. So yeah, I really like it because it goes well with a lot of things that I wear. I don't know whether it's my wardrobe or whether this is just very versatile, but yeah, I really like this watch a lot. I was like, wow, how much is this watch? I'm really actually considering this watch even. But yeah, that's another story. So yeah, I'm so sad because now I have to return it. But yeah, I really enjoyed my time with this watch. Yeah, the only thing I would change is the straps. So yeah, that's about it guys. Bye!